What is going on, YouTube? Hope you're having a great day. So in this video, I'm doing a full course review from the Learn, Plan, Profit course by Ricky Gutierrez. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Thomas. I make videos showing you guys different ways to make money online, how to carve your own path to financial freedom. So if that's of interest, jump down, subscribe. But today we're doing a course review, so it's a little bit different than what I usually do on the channel. But if I do take a course, if I come across something, I'm sure to definitely do a review on it, because I know there's a lot of people out there who may be interested, who may be looking for something like this, and so I thought I would take the time to do a full review on the course. So currently right now in front of me, I have the course open. I've actually gone through it. I'm actually going through it a second time right now as we speak, because there's a couple things that, I want to go through a second time. I went through and then it took me, I would say, I'm kind of like the anomaly. This should take you about a week to 2 weeks, maybe more. I think he recommends 2 to 4 weeks to go through it. If you're going to go through it pretty fast, and you're going to be like obsessed like I am, you can get through it pretty quick. It took me about 4 days, I would say, 4 days, like of a couple hours per day of going through it at night. And so that's what kind of my situation. There's a lot of information here. If you're a brand new, completely a beginner to the stock market, I want to go through my background as well. If you're a brand new beginner to the stock market, there's enough here for you to just figure out what things mean and get a handle on it. Now, what I will say is that I am not brand new. I wouldn't say I'm an experienced trader. I've had my share of horrible trades. I've gone through some pretty bad trades when it comes to trading options. I've messed around with options. I've messed around crypto, but this is not really related to crypto at all. But I will say that I have had some experience. I've played the stock market games throughout school, throughout high school. I've actually been trading in the natural gas market, simulation trading through school, through college actually as well. So I have some experience, I will say for sure. I definitely, it's not like I've never submitted a trade. I have, and I've lost money and I've made some money. Overall though, I have definitely lost more money than I've made in my own experience messing around. So that's why I want to take this course, because it's something that I think going into my next semester at school, I'm about to be a senior in college. I think going into my next semester, I have the time. I have 2 days a week that I don't even have class. So I'm thinking those 2 days I can really utilize, like the whole morning, to really, to learn something, learn a skill and go after it. And this is something that I've always wanted to go after. I've really always wanted to go into like the stock market. I've always had that interest. It's always been there. My dad's kind of been an influence on me there too. So I've always had that influence, and so this is why I came across the course and I was like, you know what? For $299 is what I paid for it. And that's like the current price. I'm not sure if there's coupon codes. Sometimes he has a coupon code, but I paid $299, and that is what I paid for it. And I said, you know what, it's worth it. Let me pick it up. Let me go through it. Let me learn. Let me see if I can implement it. And what he does say many times, I want to make this a clear point here, is you better simulate your trades. Now, of course, I have experience. So for someone like me, it would be very easy. It's very easy for me to say, hey, you know what? I have experience. I don't need to do simulation. I've done simulations before. I'm fine. No, because I have not traded this way before. I have never traded like this. Ricky takes a very, very technical approach through his trades, and he's fairly conservative when it comes down to his trades. However, he manages risk. He knows how to manage that risk, and so that's the whole point of this course. You're managing your risk, so you're not going to be in a situation, or you're more likely than not going to be in a situation where you're going to have to take multiple red days, or go multiple red days in a row, or take red weeks. This way, you're really managing your risk so that there's more opportunity for upside than downside. And he teaches you exactly how to do that. It's something that I really appreciate as well. Some other things in the course that I wanted to go over. He has some bonus videos about some other things about like how he's like selling cars, flipping things like that. So that's a pretty cool like bonus section. In addition, he's also updating the course. So once you get in, you have access completely, for free. If you buy the course once, you don't have to pay additionally for any additional videos he puts in. Now, the main thing. Now, I think that if you're more experienced, if you're a beginner, this is a great opportunity to just literally just watch the videos, go through and learn everything that he has to offer, and then implement in a paper trading or a simulation trading account. Okay. Now, if you're more experienced, you're saying, is this something for me? What I will say is the reason why not the reason, but a big part of why I bought the course is because now I get access, and when you do, you get access to the daily live trades. So he has a YouTube live stream every single day when the market is open, at market open, where he trades live. And so he's not really going to be saying, I've been on a couple of them now, he's not really going to be saying, hey, buy this right now. That's not the whole point. He's teaching you the skills in the course, and then he's doing his thing. He's doing what he does, what he knows, right, in the live trades. And when he live trades, you're able to just become aware and see how he's trading, see the thought process behind what he's doing. And so it's going to help you when it comes down to your trade. You don't have to trade live with him. It comes down, if you want to watch the live trading and then go off, pick a different stock, pick a different, ETF, whatever it is, later on that day and trade that one yourself, day trade that one yourself, you now have the skills. You saw how he did it. Now you can take look at the charts and analyze the chart and say, okay, here's what he did. How can I learn from that and see if it applies to this stock, into this whatever, in this ETF, whatever it is. And so that is a massive piece as to why I wanted to do this, because now I'm going to have access to that. In addition, you get access to this Discord, massive. There's like just this Discord chat, I guess. Discord's somewhat new to me. I haven't really used it too much. And so there's like all these different chats in there. There's a ton of different things. You can go into like swing trades, options, futures, ETFs, his announcements, all these different avenues where you can connect with other people. People are going to give you ideas. People are saying, hey, I'm doing this. People are sharing their profits. People are doing all these different things. So that's awesome. And that is another huge piece to the course and why it's so useful, because you have the course, which is going to teach you what you need to know. Especially if you're a beginner, that's super awesome. But then additionally, if you're more advanced, maybe you get a couple golden nuggets out of the course, because he also goes through some examples of what he's doing live, and additionally, like what he's done in the past, looking at the charts in the course. But then you also get access to his live trading every day, and then you get access to the Discord where you can connect with other people and bounce ideas off other people and get inspired by other people who are doing well, and you can really connect with them. And then that's another avenue you guys can go, and that's something that's also, I think, undervalued. People don't realize how valuable that is itself. So that's that. With that being said, guys, I'll have a link down below. It is my affiliate link if you guys want to check out the course. I get a commission off that, completely honest. But I have the course. I can just show you guys right now. I'm going through it a second time, and here it is. I'm going through some bonus videos right now. So it's not that I'm lying. I have the course and I'm in it, and it's something that I'm super pumped about. But what I will recommend, guys, is this. I am someone who has experience, some experience. But what did I do? I created a paper trading account immediately. Okay, so the next month, 2 months, and that's the thing. I'm going to be paper trading. I don't know how long I'm going to do it. I'm going to paper trade, which is really trading with fake money. I'm going to trade with fake money until I prove to myself that I can have profitable trades. And if I can make profitable trades, I can make profitable weeks, I can make profitable months. That's when I can put my own money into it, and then I feel comfortable doing that. And so that's kind of my situation. That's what I recommend. That's what Ricky recommends. It's something that he drills into your head, and if you don't do it, I think that's something that you're really just hurting yourself, because at the end of the day, if you can learn this skill and you can prove to yourself that you can become a good trader, if you can do that, this can serve you for years and years to come, because this is some serious stuff. And once you can create, build up an account to a certain level, you could be making, trades. And for example, Ricky makes trades. I think he trades with $100,000 for what he's been saying. He can make one trade, make 1-2%, and then that's $1,000 a day. That's insane for when it comes to, if you're really looking to make, money to stop working your 9 to 5 to get out of that rat race, right? If that's something you're trying to do, like the potential's there, and it's just proving to yourself that you can do it, proving to yourself that, it works, your strategy works, his strategy works, however you trade works. Everyone's going to have different, nuance to their trading. If you can prove to yourself that works, you can just take that onto the real scale, put real money in, and the strategy is going to work, because you've been trading with fake money for a while, but it works, and it's the same thing. Okay, guys. So with that being said, I'll have a link down below to the Learn Plan Profit course. It is $299. I think that's a steal, really. I think that it could be worth more like $500, to be completely honest, or more, for some of the courses that I've seen out there. I haven't really seen too many related to stocks, but this is a great course. I would highly recommend it if you're looking to get into it, and I'm using it right now. So if you have any questions, message me on Instagram, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer questions about specific aspects of it. I don't want to give away, obviously, what's in it, because that's not fair, but if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them, guys. So with that being said, link down below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.